Hello everyone, let us see answers for the test yourself on chemical changes. Which of the following can be observed through chemical change? Means they are asking property of chemical change. It is an irreversible, correct. Permanent, which is also correct. New substance is found, correct. So answer is all of the above. Which of the following is not a chemical change? Boiling of water is a physical change. Change in state in this. Rusting of iron is a chemical change. Neutralization, acid base react and produce salt. Photosynthesis process, carbon dioxide is converted into glucose. So all these are chemical changes. This is a physical change. Burning of magnesium ribbon in air produce. See, usually it produces the magnesium oxide. Mg plus O2 gives MgO. Here I am not balancing, but generally I am telling magnesium ribbon reacts with air, produce magnesium oxide. Magnesium hydroxide is also produced. This is what we call it as the ash of this magnesium dissolved in water. This magnesium hydroxide is produced. To know the answer, watch my previous video. You can easily understand the chemical changes regarding this. Answer is magnesium oxide. When iron nail is placed in copper sulfate solution, then what happened? Directly it gives green color solution. So this explanation also I have clearly given. When vinegar reacts with baking soda, mainly which gas is produced? Carbon dioxide gas is produced. This is also explained with explanations. All explanations are present in my previous video. This is just test yourself. How did you understand the concept? Which of the following methods avoid corrosion on metals? Painting, we can avoid. Application of grease, we can avoid. Coating of chromium, we can avoid. So, all the above. What is the galvanization? Galvanization, very important question. In many competitive exams, they are asking coating of iron with zinc. Coating of iron with zinc is the galvanization process. Now, in galvanization, what is meant by galvanization? Just now I told you coating of iron with zinc. Stainless steel composition is iron with carbon, either chromium, nickel or magnesium is present. Crystallization of copper sulfate. Crystallization of copper sulfate is the best example for physical change. Fireworks is the example for chemical change. This is the match the following answers. Now, copper sulfate. What is the formula of copper sulfate? Copper sulfate formula is CuSO4. Magnesium oxide. Here magnesium oxide, two formulas are there. That is magnesium oxide. Vinegar. Vinegar formula is CH3COOH. Baking soda. These formulas also in my previous chemical changes concept we have discussed. Baking soda, NaHCO3. Lime water. Lime water we have calcium hydroxide. What is the use of lime water? To detect the carbon dioxide. Standard test for carbon dioxide. Iron oxide. Iron oxide is Fe2O3. So these are the match the following answers. With this all answers I have covered. Hope you understand all the answers. If you want answers, watch my playlist of physical and chemical changes concept. Thank you.